In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple watering can into a booming masterpiece. Hey guys, it's Donald here. Welcome to my channel. A while ago, I collaborated with my friend Laurie and his company to create some floral arrangements for their promotional video. They have got fantastic products on their website, and I thought it would be great to showcase them here. Thanks Laurie to being so supportive. So over the next few weeks, I will rolling out a 3-part series of spring videos, each featuring unique arrangements using Laurie's products. While some items may have changed since we filmed, you can always find similar containers or materials on their website. I will drop the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Now let's dive into today's arrangement. With spring just around the corner, I want to share with you some design ideas for spring holiday. Let's start with a modern farmhouse arrangement. Here we have a Hello Spring Bunny watering can, which is perfect container for spring and Easter. First, we will prepare the container with fall foam. Then we will add some boxwood and lighter greens to create a base. Let's put the boxwood on the side to create some dimensions, and put some at the back, and we'll add some here, and then boxwood here. Just try to put some at the front, some at the back, so to create dimensions. Next, we will add the focal flowers, the avalanche roses, and the viburnum to make it look fresh. After that, we will fill up the space with mini green hydrangea and also add peach spray roses for the color and dimensions. Finally, we will extend the size of the arrangement with the lighter flowers like chocolate creams and lace, and also add dry material for the texture. Let's put it in this way. Add this here. Side. This simple and elegant farmhouse arrangement is perfect for Easter or as a gift for a loved one. I hope you found inspiration in this video. If you enjoy it, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help my channel grow. For more floral design idea, please check the link in the descriptions or click on the card pop-up on the screen. Thanks for tuning in. I will catch you on the next video.